is Prime. How y'all doing? Yeah. Nice. Me too. I got a couple Nelsons, a Sabine, and a Lions, and my name is Craig Euler. We're going to improvise for a half hour. Can we just get a suggestion of anything at all, please? What'd you say?
JackHammers.
JackHammers. Thank you, JackHammers.
All right, boys. This is how it's shaking down. We got to break up this block, then we got to break up that block, then lunch.
I'm excited about that one.
Yeah. We all are.
So, Gus, you're saying the faster we break this shit, the faster we break this shit?
The faster you break this, if you break this and you finish the 2 blocks, you can have lunch as early as you want. Whoa!
Welcome to the bottom.
Hey, we have a visitor.
Oh, look at his shiny yellow hat. Shiny.
When we get a visitor, we make him wear a jacket.
When we get a visitor, we make him wear a jacket. When we get a visitor, we make him wear a jacket. The jacket's made of rats. The jacket's made of rats. The jacket's made of rats. Cause when we get a visitor, we make him wear a jacket. When we get a visitor, we make him wear a jacket. Sit down! Sit on both chairs! Now sit on all 3! Do you need more chairs? Do you need more chairs?
3's plenty. Wowee!
What is on your face?
What?
Is that a mustache?
It's a
mustache.
None of you have.
We can have mustaches because we're child kings.
That's right.
Child king can have a mustache.
Mustache. Do you want some port wine cheese?
Whoa!
Yes.
Can we get you a magazine? Entertainment Weekly?
Yes. Well, yeah, I have a mustache. I'm no king though. I make 30 grand a year. 6 kids, all girls.
Call them!
Call
your daughter!
When we have a visitor, they will call their daughters.
When we have a visitor, they will call their daughters.
Okay.
When we have a visitor, they will call their daughters. When we have a visitor, they will call their daughters.
When we have a visitor,
Hello?
hello.
Jesus, Dad, what do you want?
Yeah, what's going on?
Did you party line all 6
Did you party line up? This is gonna cost T-Mobile a fortune. I'll pay for
I
it.
am at college.
Dad, my name is Brittany, and I'm the one who likes books.
I'm Stephanie, and I have a major in racquetball.
My name's Tina, and I'm terribly blind.
I'm Cynthia. I'm the youngest one, the cute one.
Cynthia, find something more.
I'm Janet. Sometimes I like to go on long walks, but then I get tired.
I'm Barbara the divorcee.
My name's Henry. I just listen in on these.
Henry.
What are you guys
Henry,
wearing?
get off the line. Henry, I'll buy you a beer. Get off the line.
Dad, what is it? Dad? I have to get back to my book.
I have studying.
Girls.
I'm winning 15-1 in a 17-match racquetball tournament.
17 matches?
Before we continue, can we make? Did Tina say she was terribly blind or blonde?
Blonde.
No, I'm blind.
Ah! What is it, Dad? I'm in the middle of a long walk and I'm getting tired.
Girls, you're.
Dad, I'm alone. I'll always be alone.
Dad, there's an echo. Are you in the middle of the earth?
Frosty mug. Fear the frosty.
Hey, Henry.
Bless you.
I'm allergic to all these sisters.
Bless you. I heard you.
Dad, what is it?
I was the boss.
Tell them to come visit us. Tell them.
They are talking my ear off. You guys deal with daughters down here?
No. Only boy kings down here, shiny man. No hair on our faces.
Tell us about daughters. What is it you love and hate about daughters?
Our currency is baseball cards.
Yes. And our baseball cards are money.
More wrong. Give me that coffee.
The twins, it takes 27 twin cards to equal one.
This is Kirby Puckett. This is Kirby Puckett. This should be worth $100.
Oh, you think that, but he's blind and dead and beat his wife.
Hey, I have a blind daughter, all right, man?
Okay.
That wasn't offensive towards
Dad, hang up the phone! Hang up the phone! You're tying up my minute!
Did you hear me defend you? Did you hear me defend you?
Yes, I hear everything because my sense of hearing is...
Dad, I'm gonna stay on the phone, but I gotta go into the glass room. Okay.
The glass room?
Yeah, that's what we call it, a racquetball card. We call it glass.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
The chair's off.
Yeah, I don't know why they had a function in here earlier.
They
Oh, damn it, this fucking glass.
It's made out of glass. All right.
You guys are gonna have to do your improvs somewhere else. This court is reserved.
Okay, fine.
Okay, well,
the full houses will do it otherwise.
I'm Uncle Jesse.
No one likes your Full House pop culture references anymore.
We're an improv team just based on Full House.
I know, I see the flyers everywhere!
Everywhere you look.
Hella.
What?
Huh? Pick up your phone.
What?
Barbara? The divorcee? That's me. Are you Kevin Snodgrass? Yes, Kevin Snodgrass of Snodgrass's Window Tinting.
Hello, your table is ready. Please follow me.
So much. This restaurant is 3 Michelin stars. I thought it would be appropriate for our first date. My name is Kevin. Your profile is beautiful. I'm also divorced. Kevin. Yes, Barbara. Do you ever wake up in the middle of the night and realize you have a sucking void inside your chest?
Hello, Governor. Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. McGillicuddy's Dinner Theater. I will be
3
Samson.
Michelin stars. Yes.
I am Samson, your waiter. I'll also be playing David on stage in 15 minutes.
Oh, that's gonna be.
So I don't want to suspend your disbelief in pretending I'm 2 different people. We have 3 specials. One is a salmon that has been poached and left its family long before it ever knew them. The third special is also the second special, but it's a little bit specialer. Can I get you guys something to drink?
I'll have the second special.
All right, would you also like something to drink?
A
We have
Shasta.
Shasta, okay.
I would like a squirt with 1 ice cube.
Okay. I don't know how to use this iPad yet to put the orders in.
It's okay. I've seen 3 iPads.
Okay. All right.
David, I have a few questions about the role.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm sorry. Let me break character. David! Okay. What's up?
So when you take the order, the hello governor thing, do you have to, what if they say something American that a British person wouldn't understand? It's okay. It's okay. Just go with it. They don't know the script. So you're right. Okay. You're on for me. Go. Hey, alright. Hello. Am I new one? Don't be worried about it. It's okay. It happens all the time overseas. But
That's not my gun.
3 Michelin stars. That's right.
so what can I get for you for dessert? Just looking in the future.
Key lime pie. strawberry rhubarb.
Strawberry rhubarb. Hi.
Let me ask you this. Have you ever been divorced?
Yeah. Yes, I have, yeah. I have been divorced, yeah. I was married to...
What dessert would fill the everlasting void inside you?
Yorkshire pudding.
We'll take two. Please.
Manny, do you have Yorkshire pudding back there?
I go with some, huh?
Thank
That'll go with Yorkshire style. That boy. It's like muffins and you flatten them.
Yeah.
You caught me! But these handcuffs weren't secured.
With me! Yeah, okay. Sorry, I slipped off for a second. I did that roll real quick. Okay. Baking.
Oh, let's see, I got this. Will this help? I got a photo of Michael York and some leftover Shore deodorant.
No, not shire enough. I need something more shirey.
Okay.
Sure just ain't gonna cut it.
Kevin. Yes. Do you ever feel when you're tinting windows that you're hiding something? Yes. Why do you think I want to tint all windows I see? Because when you see things for who they really are, you see how terrible life is. If I could tint my heart, fuck yeah, I would. I still wear my wedding ring. What about you? No. I went on a trip to Hawaii after my divorce. What island? The mainland. The mainland of Hawaii.
Yes, welcome to Hawaii's mainland.
Where do I want to lay things? I've seen all those flower necklaces on the
Right,
fantasy
there it
island.
is, there
Oh
it
my God, Mekalaka. I like this.
There's a lot to do here. You can visit Diamond Head National
Is
Park.
there any live volcanoes?
Oh my God, your voice is enchanting.
Not on the main island. You have to go to the big island in Hilo.
Oh, I thought we were on the mainland
No,
island.
you're on the main island. You need to go to the big island.
Oh, damn it.
Hey, I'm doing trips to the main island. Do seaplane rides. Anybody need any?
I need to do.
Oh, all right.
You're an excellent pilot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that Hawaiian thing? I want to do that.
Hawaiians only.
Oh, damn it. Okay.
True Hawaiians.
Oh, where's your seaplane? Where can I see your plane? Oh, wow. Is that thing flight-worthy?
Is it what? Flight worthy?
Flight-worthy.
Yeah, come on.
This looks old and gangly.
It's character. Hop on in, Moise. Yeah, just sit there, just on the crate. Yeah, hold on tight. All right. So we go, hey, where you guys from? The 48? I call him the 48. You call him the 48?
I'm not from anywhere anymore.
Everybody's from somewhere.
I'm a severed spirit.
They're supposed to come apart. No.
Every time I see a fan, I just want to stick my hand in it.
You can keep talking. It'll change your voice.
Hey, everybody. Let's go to the main line.
Yeah, just gotta get in there.
If you could fly over one of the active volcanoes, I'd appreciate it.
You got it.
I want to toss my wedding ring inside.
You got it. Here we go.
Strawberry shortcake. Wow!
Yeah, Whoa! Okay, catch that.
Super huge storm coming!
I know!
These waves are vicious!
It's gonna be wicked!
I can't wait to ride another one!
We're never gonna die!
Chaos! Oh, look who's coming to our lair! Oh, look! What the fuck? What am I in a lagoon or some sort of inlet? You're in the coral reef! Yes!
Is that a wetsuit you're wearing?
Yes.
We can't wear those here.
No. Why not?
We
We're fish people.
I've got some water in my lungs. Give me a second.
Yeah. Can you breathe water or air?
It happens all the time.
Fucked up that we have lungs.
You guys breathe water or air?
We drink air and we breathe water.
And when we enter a room, we say goodbye. When we leave, we say hello.
I wear shoes on my feet. He's just swimming to my apartment.
What the hell is welcome?
Who the hell are you? Aaron, who is this man?
Easy.
All right, I'll set another place at the table.
No, you set a table on a plane.
What is with you oral people? Look, I gotta get back up there and ride the pipe, man. There's a big storm coming and the waves are huge. Your voices are like silent.
We've never seen a storm before.
When there is a storm, we must eat a surfer. When there is a storm, we must eat a surfer. When there is a storm, we must eat a surfer. When there is a storm, we must eat a surfer.
Oh, I'm not hungry at all, which means I am hungry down here.
It's the after noise that I make.
We have dessert first, and you'll be last.
Great, let's have some dessert.
No,
What do you guys eat down here? What do you guys eat down here?
Oh, we have hamburgers.
For dessert?
Yes, everything's backwards.
Could you imagine a world where you eat a hamburger as a dessert? Could you imagine?
Imagine it and tell us in a story.
Tell us in a story.
Make it on the last day of school.
Okay. So there I am, it's 2:45 and I'm staring at the clock like a fool. It seems like the time's going backwards.
Oh, but yeah, that's the correct way. Peter Gabriel, thanks for coming in.
Absolutely no problem whatsoever.
Listen, we got some bad news.
Again?
Yes. I know the first news was Genesis doesn't want you anymore, but Sledgehammer isn't selling the way we thought it would.
What about sledgehammer sales? The actual hammers.
Through the roof.
Yeah.
People hear that song, turn it off immediately, and go to a hardware store. and
Look,
buy
Mr.
it.
Gabriel, our sledgehammer sales are through the roof.
Yeah.
We are rocking with sledgehammers.
Give me the credit. When the people walk out the door, say, Sledgehammer.
We do. We tag it. We got giant Peter Gabriel cutout faces. I mean, we are killing it on sledgehammer sales.
What's a brother gotta do? What do I gotta do?
Well, that's why I called you in here.
That's why I called you in here.
All right. Shoot.
Peter Gabriel, it's me, John Henry.
Not interested, John.
You want your song to sell, you gotta race me. Laying down track.
Yeah, we got a lot of track news laying.
John Henry, the American folk tale myth guy.
He's faster than a machine.
I thought you were one of the Genesis guys for a second.
No, I'm John Henry.
No, John Henry was not in Genesis.
I'd be a steam drill.
Who is this person? Is it Babe the Blue Ox?
Oh, that's Paul Bunyan's. Come on, babe.
Sorry, I'm not.
That Pecos built. I wrangled this here tornado.
One second you're chilling with Genesis in Liverpool, and the next second you're in fantasy world with all you.
Genesis 1979 in Liverpool. They met in Liverpool, where the Beatles also met.
Hi, Peter.
Hey, I'm Phil Collins.
Peter Gabriel.
I heard your voice. You're pretty good.
Thanks. I heard you drumming. You're not bad. You keep a good rhythm.
Hey, my name's Mike. I'm a mechanic, but I'm learning bass.
Who are you?
Me? My name is Gary.
Sure.
Yeah, Gary, Mike. What do you do?
We're all here together to come up with a hit new band.
All right.
Let's do this. I'll grab a book and I'll just read the first chapter.
This
There it is.
could be the start of something great.
Oh, okay. The Bible.
Oh, wait a minute. That chuck of shit?
Phil, chapter 1.
You know how I feel about God. He let me down.
He loves you.
Come on, man. We can write a song about it called Jesus He Knows Me. We won't do it early on. We'll do it later in our career. We'll still do it. Okay?
Oh, I can feel it. I can feel it in the air tonight. I can
Okay,
feel it.
hold on.
Can we just hurry up so we can get into the studio?
All right. All right, let's go. We can use my studio. It's on Salisbury Hill.
All right, Genesis. This is your first track.
Yes.
Rainbow Dreams.
He's right. He's right.
The rainbow dreams are coming. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Weep, weep, weep. Red, yellow, orange, blue, purple. Red, orange, yellow.
And as he was singing, it went into Phil Collins' head, and he was flashed back to the moment that God turned his back on Phil Collins when he was a little boy growing up in Liverpool.
Hey, Phil. Give me your lunch money.
Please, God, help me from being.
Give me your lunch money, I'll bash your head.
God, if you really exist, you will help me in this situation. Shut up! Oh!
Hey, I'm here to help. Oh, I was late.
I'll never forgive you! I don't care anymore.
No more?
No more. No more.
No more.
No more.
No more.
No more.
No more.
No more.
No more.
No more.
No more.
No more.
Hey, girls, Dad hasn't come home for dinner yet.
God damn it, I gotta get back to college. But I can't find it on my own.
Wait a minute, guys. I've been reading in books a lot. Maybe all the answers are right in books. I'll just take the first book I find. The Bible.
I love that one.
It says here that Jesus was gone for 40 days and 40 nights, and people were just like cool with it.
He was gone for 40 days and 40 nights? The same time the flood happened?
No, that's not how it went.
No, that's right.
And it's not going to be in the first chapter.
Hold on. Also, that was a really great Josh Hartnett movie.
Oh, so good.
So good. That was so good.
Sexuality and holding yourself back.
That's how we got Lent.
Hold on. Yeah, Josh Hartnett's in this one too. Oh, but this.
I was watching a movie. It was called Little Monsters. I think if we go into my bedroom and we go under the bed, we'll go into wherever Dad is.
We'll go into wherever Dad is.
Yeah, like if he's in a chasm or a chasm.
Ooh, the shadow's under my bed.
Let's go. I'll lead you up the stairs because I know stairs are tricky for you.
Yeah, I hate them without railings.
Hopefully this walk is long.
No, we're here.
Oh. Girls! Dad, you're back. I can hear it. Dad, ew, what's on your face?
They made me
Are you wearing a rat jacket?
And did they shave your mustache?
Yeah.
Where's your mustache?
They made me put gel in place of a mustache because they like it. They think it feels better.
It doesn't.
Girls, have you had anything to eat all day?
I just been reading books.
I had a bag of combos.
Sit over here.
She thought they were combos, but they're really two separate flavors. We didn't have the heart to tell.
Dad!
What flavors were they?
Pizza and ranch dip.
Oh, like I can't say ranch? Dad, did you just hurt her for me?
Yeah, I did. Different Earth, same problems. Leave your sister alone. Oh, hello, ladies.
Hello, ladies. Hello, ladies.
You brought your daughter!
Dad, what's happening?
Dad, what's going on? I gotta get back to the glass box.
The below the Earth people are here.
Below the earth, people? Is that what that
Vikings.
smell is?
Boy Kings, baby-faced boy king.
Boy kings looking for boy queens.
What do you mean smell?
They want to make you their queen.
What do you-
Ooh, I'll shower you with Montreal Expos cards.
Yes.
Our version of currency.
And then I'll trade you an Andrew Jackson for a Ben Franklin.
Look, I'm in.
The blind one's in.
Yeah, I'm going to college just to find a husband anyway.
They look terrible, sweetheart.
I don't care.
The blind one doesn't need.
Dad, a duh. A duh.
No.
Dad, a duh.
Dad.
Dad, a duh.
Dad.
Dad, a duh.
Wait, let's go with us. Wait, Dad. Go.
Knocked out.
You got knocked out. A piece of debris come knocked your helmet off and knocked you over. Stop eating cement. Man, that's fun. Guys, thanks so much for coming out to allow us to have fun and do it in front of people. It's super awesome. Thanks so much for coming out in the cold, too. In a few short moments, 3033 will be right up. We'll be back next week. It's Prime. Tell someone where you work. Thanks so much, everybody. Good night!